Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. This video is for Neil in Michigan, J&L Auto Center, and we have throttle bodies here, two of them that were mailed in, and the best one to be chosen to be rebuilt. So I chose the one on the left and versus the one that's on the right. Now the reason I chose this one is, first of all, it's newer, and actually this unit activated, whereas that the one on the right, which is older, it did not even activate. So I just set it aside and I concentrated on this unit. It's been on the bench for about 2 days by now, and it's been working fine. And this is basically the bench test video, and maybe I'll be able to show you what's going on with the unit on my right. So first off is that both of these units, they were severely oxidated. Like basically the unit on the left looked just like the unit on the right. So it's just, you know, it's salt weather, cold state, so that's normal really. Internals inside this unit were very nice. Okay, so even though we have some spots of oxidation still remaining, but it doesn't matter. Insides, they were really nice. I didn't even open this unit up because this one, it looks pretty bad. Now, the second thing is that you had, you said that it's from E420, and this unit was made in 92. This unit was made in 94, right there. So I don't know which one was original, but they both from S-Class, not for nothing. 8225, these are S-Class part numbers. So they were replaced at some point, they were switched around. I don't know what's going on, but long story short, you will still be able to use this unit. It's gonna work just fine in your E420. No problems there. As long as as long as that car that you have is ASR vehicle that has ASR. Okay, so let's put this one aside a little bit so I can show you live readings. Now the unit has been energized, like I said, for 2 days. Remove this linkage. Let's look on the other side. So it cleaned off quite well, even though with all this oxidation that was going on, it still cleaned off pretty well. So it looks pretty good. Temperature on the unit. Hey. No? Oh wow. Really? It worked just yesterday. Well, let's just try to do something with it. Maybe some bad contact or the battery or whatever. Okay. I guess the battery. Alright, so we have 115 about. That's the highest I can read. And cold unit is at 79. As you can see, this is the room temperature. I just put an air conditioner. But this unit is hotter. Just to show you that this unit has been energized for quite some time. This is aluminum case that dissipates heat pretty well. So in our case, this is what we needed to. That's what I wanted to show. Activation, as you can see, very nice. Slow or fast, very good. Now in your car, you most likely will have activation about this much, which is normal. I just use different controller that allows me to activate the unit all the way. I realigned the throttle plate just because it was off a little bit. Readouts: 0.45, 4.25. That's fine. This can be from 0.4 to 0.6. We're like close to the center, so we're okay. Now we'll open the throttle. We have micro switches change their positioning. We also have voltages to change. That's totally fine. Don't mind these things jump because that's software limitation. That's just the way it's always been and always will be. So we're in good shape. As a matter of fact, S-Class do not even read out these switches, as far as I can tell, because I've seen other control modules I had tested, and they do not even read micro switches. It's just the module that I'm using reads everything, so that's why I use this module. So we go into idle. We have micro switches on off, 0.45, 4.25, that's good. We open the throttle. Micro switches change their positioning, plus we have voltages to also change. So I don't have a problem with this unit anymore. Like I said, internally it was good, and wires were completely destroyed, so yeah, that needed to be done. So this is it basically. It's all ready to go, and I can move it all day long, and it's all fine. So this is it, because I need this bench for other units. So for that reason, what is this anyway? I don't know what that is, but anyway. So this unit is ready to go. So this is all for me. This is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.